Hey my friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate QR code for Google Chrome. So after watching this video you are able to do this work. So first of all I am going on Google Chrome, then just copy this link, then going on Canva. Canva is absolutely free photo and video editing software. Here is lots of millions free and paid template you can use right now for free. So just go to app section. I open a design. First of all, the 1000 into 1000 pixel, you can create any one, this doesn't matter. Just go here, app section, then click on QR code, then click on first one, then paste your Google Chrome link. So just click on generate. Here the lots of option. Background color change, you are able to change here. Then foreground color, wow, then margin. So I'm not interested here. Just click here, then generate code. Just click on here. Wow, this is red color, but I want to change it white color. Then this is black. That's good. Then update code. Oh, this is natural, so I like it. If you want like coloring QR code, this is a method. So just going share button, click on here, then again click on download, then you are able to download jpg, png, pdf, any format. So I highly recommend you for png because it's high resolution. Then click on download. When you click on download, it will be downloaded on your pc, or this is the same method on mobile phone you are as well. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.